Alright, let's start. So this is my paper for boat. We have to cut. I forgot. I think I want to delete this. Am I an idiot? Dank tonic. Dank tonic.
I have no advice to give. Good luck with the boat.
Woo! Let's just test. We'll be fine.
I see you're about to set sail.
Yes, I'm in here.
I'm gonna ask if you need help filming it.
Look at that. Let's go. Rosa's here.
How are you gonna do this? You're gonna start in there and then slide out?
Yeah?
Okay.
It's ready. Actually ready.
Alright, you got this. Don't fall in between.
Oh, you're right. You're right. Okay. There's a hole. Shoot. Steered. Be careful. Should I start here?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was saying you should start over there. Well, I mean, if that's what you wanted to do, I wasn't going to stop you. You know? See, that's perfect. That's perfect. So now you can just slide in. That's perfect.
Alright, good luck.
Yeah, good luck.
Go finger.
It's already floating. That's perfect. You're definitely going to set sail.
Let's go. Let's go.
What are you? Wait, okay. It actually might work. It might work.
Yeah.
Just you have to sit in the middle.
Okay. Let's go. What the
It's
heck?
working! Oh my god!
What the heck?
Your chat didn't believe in you. How are you gonna make it back?
Back? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Do not go over. Oh my god. Are you okay?
Oh yes.
Just push it back with your feet and you're good. There you go.
There we go. There we go. What? You wanna try?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Try. It will be okay. I'm sure.
I'm fully clothed and I'm, you know, it's that thing is. There's no way it's carrying me.
But my feet is really fine.
All right, fine. I'll try it.
Okay, let's go, Rochelle. Ah, we will be fine.
There's no way this is gonna hold me.
Let's go! Oh my god! Go! It's fine.
Okay.
I think it's fine. Let's see. One. What the heck? It works! It works!
This is a great boat.
Oh my god! It's actual ship.
How long did this take?
Like 2 hours?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it was worth it. It actually worked.
Yeah, it worked. Oh my god. Oh my god, you have to shower. This is cool. You have to go shower. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for trying.
Yeah, of course.
Well, it actually
That was a great
works.
boat. It actually
yeah,
works. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. Wow.
10 out of 10 boat.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, Chad, do you want to try? You want to try? Chad, you'll be fine. Okay, you ready? Have fun! Have fun! Chad! Don't forget me, okay? If you're going to your country, you'll come back to your country. Please don't forget me. Bye! Please watch my stream. Bye, Chad! Chad, not there. Not this way. This way. Go. Bye-bye, Chad. Have fun your adventure. Bye. No, not there, no, excuse me, no. No, Senpai! Senpai! Oh, it's safe. What the heck? Safe. It's safe. Alright, I will drive, Chad. Welcome to SS Dank Titanic. From Texas Austin Mizkif house to your house. We start. Have fun. Oh, you can see a lot of trees in here. This tree doesn't have name. No name, anonymous name. And there's a lot of cloud. Oh, today is very windy day.